What is it, Nate? What are you doing? Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you tired? Can you take the hat off your face?
Ah!
No, put it back up. Nathan, put it back on top of your head.
No.
Yes.
No.
We have to keep it up here. Alright. Who's your girlfriend?
Kaylee.
Who's the class president?
Me.
Why?
Because they voted off already.
How did you get voted class president?
Because
You getting tired?